Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this session we are going to take up a question from deadlock avoidance. So we are going to discuss the deadlock avoidance constraint and how you get questions from it. So recently there was a question in GATE 2018 on it, and this entire thing basically comes from the topic of from the subject of operating system and topics concerning deadlocks, resource scheduling processes, etc. So let's see what the question was and how we solve such question and what is this deadlock avoidance constraint. So let's get to the question. So the question says, consider a system with three processes that share four instances of the same resource type. Each process can request a maximum of k instances. Now here it is very important to note that it is written that each process can request a maximum of k instances. So this is not total of k instances, but the total need is of 3 into k instances, which is 3k instances. Okay. Now resource instances can be requested and released only one at a time. Okay. The largest value of k that will always avoid deadlock is. Now this is what is required. Now when we used to study deadlock avoidance, there was always a condition that what was that condition now? So the condition is this. Basically the maximum need will always be less than or equal to maximum need will always be less than equals to the resources you have plus the processes you have, because the processes are basically sharing the resources. So once the resources get freed from a process, it will automatically release all the resources which will go into the need of other processes. Therefore they are sharing the resources, therefore the role of processes also come into play. So how I have memorized it is that need is always less than equals to process. You have the resources that you have plus the processes. Okay. So now this is the notation, general notation in which I express this. So here we have, let P be the total number of processes, R be the total number of available resources. Okay, and M be the maximum number of required resources. Now note over here, this is maximum number of required resources, not the resources required by each process. Okay, so this is the net total. So then M will always be less than equals to P plus R. Now I'll just find out what are the values of these MPR from my question, and I'm just going to substitute the values, and I'm going to check whether the constraint is satisfied or not, and what is the value of the unknown variables. Okay, so now over here, first P is what? P is total number of processes. They are 3 over here as it was given over here. Let's take some different color. Yeah. Then R is the total number of resources or the total number of instances, resource instances. Okay. So here it is 4. So therefore I've taken 4 over here. Then the total need over here, as we have just discussed, it is 3.k because there are 3 processes each requiring k instances. So the total need becomes 3 into k. Then I'll just put these values in the equation according to question. 3k is less than equals to 3 plus 4. When you simplify this, this comes out to be k is less than equals to 7 by 3, which is 2.333, so on. So therefore k is less than or equals to, then what is the maximum value, right? It is always less than. If you see on the number line, you can say 1, 2, 3. The values are all less than or equal to 2 point, sorry, less than or equal to 2 point something. So this is, let's say, 2.333. Okay, so less than or equal to this, so in this direction. So then what is the maximum value? You cannot obviously you cannot allot 2.33 resource instances. So the integral value, I would say, the maximum integral value is 2. Okay, so therefore the maximum integral value over here is 2. So that was a quick short question, I would say, and sorry about this. So the answer over here is 2, and that's all for this particular question. I'm sure you all are practicing many questions from deadlock avoidance avoidance is a very important topic from exam perspective. And in case you want me to discuss any particular question, you can always post it in the comment section below. Yeah, so also there I'll be posting a quick quiz in the community section. Do see the quiz. That is basically a particular gate previous year question which I always post before posting a solution video. So do try attempting it. It is going to help you in some manner, I would say, for if you're already practicing and do some random questions. It always helps and adds to your confidence. Okay, so that's all for this session. I'll be back with some more videos, some more questions. Till then, stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to like the video if you liked it, to support this video. Also, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of such videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified with my latest videos. Okay, so keep learning, happy learning. Thank you.